hours turning PDFs into PowerPoint slides? What if you could do it in 30 seconds with AI? Let me show you how Gamma transforms your boring documents into stunning presentations without touching a single design tool. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a game-changing AI tool called Gamma that turns your existing PDFs, your handbooks, guides, text, even resumes into beautiful editable presentations in just a few clicks. All you really need to do is head to Gamma.app, click create new with AI, then choose import file or URL. I'll upload the sample onboarding guide to show you how it works. We are going to go ahead and log into Gamma app, gamma.com. I have already logged into it. We are going to click to the section create new with AI. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once you go ahead and click on create with AI, you will get the three options. You can either create a presentation by pasting the text, notes, or any of your content for which you want to create a presentation. You can also put in the prompt and create the presentation from that, or you can import a file or a URL. So let's just go ahead and click on paste in text. I have used it several times and the output is outstanding. Oh my God, I can't even describe it. The magic that it creates. I have selected some content. It's mostly around public speaking. I have pasted it in here. Now you can select the options, whether it is presentation, a web page, a document, social. Let me just go ahead and click on presentation because that's what we want to go ahead and do. Click on continue. It's configuring your prompt, and here it tells you basically the number of slides it's gonna go ahead and generate, which is 8 cards. You can go ahead and look into further customizing it as per your requirements. You can want a condensed version, you want a preserved version, or you want to let AI create added content to enhance the content. You can select all of it and the maximum text that you want, if you want detailed, if you want brief, if you want medium. By default, the settings that are in here are condensed and medium, right? And then you have the presentation, which is by default. You can select the size, the formats that we discussed earlier. But here are the sizes, the traditional and the tall as well will go by default. And we will click on continue. When you see this 8 cards, what it essentially means is that you are going to go ahead and have 8 slides. Let's click on continue and let's see the magic that it's going to go ahead and create. Now here you see you have the option again to go ahead and select the theme, whether you want a professional, you want a colorful, a dark or light. Let me click on a professional one, and I'm gonna go ahead and select something like this. Okay, so it gives you a preview of how this is going to look like, with the color and the text. If you have your brand and you want the brand colors, you can go ahead and select from the brand colors as well. Now let me go ahead and click on generate and just wait for the magic to happen. And as you see, it is generating, it is creating the content. It's gonna go ahead and put in the pictures in there, the images in there, and I'll let you know how you can, if you're not happy with the AI version, you can even customize it. But oh my God, just look at the content that it generates. It's top notch. And I really feel the need to change it. But if you want, there are many, tabs in here. For example, you can you can go ahead and select the card templates. You have the smart layouts. If you want the images with text, with timelines, things like that, you can select the type of the text, the tables, right? So there's a lot of customization which is available, and you can even add the video or the images or a YouTube video into the link, into your presentation. You can embed the apps and the pages, the charts and diagrams, basically very much what you have in Canva. So if you have been using Canva, but you want to try some other versions, then this is it. Now look at this. That was just a text that I had created in there. But look at the content in here. Mastering the art of public speaking, common pitfalls to avoid, effective speech preparation, and there. Now, if I want to go ahead and change this, I can add the notes, or I can go ahead and let's say I want to go ahead and in this, now I want to change the layout, and I want something like this maybe, or maybe like this, or this, an inverted pyramid, or this. So the possibilities are endless, you know what I mean? You can even select this and anything which aligns with you. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and, if you do not like it, you can always go ahead and reverse the changes, just do a Control Z, and it takes you back to your original content. That's it. Now, all you really need to do is present it to your audience in the presentation mode, or you can also go ahead and export it. So you can go ahead, click on export, and you will have the options of exporting to PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, export to PNG, and that's pretty much it.
That's it. In less time than it takes to make coffee, you have got a polished AI-powered presentation. Want to give it a try? Click the link in the subscription or start for free. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with what PDF you are turning into your first Gamma presentation. As a pro tip, I have also included some visual and editing tips which you can use while you are creating your presentations, and do let me know on the comment section how it got for you. Until next time, see you all. Love from here. Thank you.